Hello students, I welcome you all on behalf of GS College of Commerce. Now this is our first e-learning lecture for the subject Business Communication and Management for BCom second year third sem. Okay, because this is our first lecture, first I will tell you regarding the syllabus. As you know that in this subject also you have 4 units. In very first unit you will see the meaning, definition and concept of communication, objectives of communication, and further the different types of communications and barriers in the process of communication. As you all are aware that the paper pattern of this subject is also going to remain same. 80 marks ka there will be a written paper of 80 marks, and in that 80 marks there will be 5 questions, 16 marks question each, and in that 16 marks each question have one option. There will be one question of 8 marks and there is a or of 16 marks question. Okay, you all are aware about this paper pattern. Now coming to our subject. In this subject, you will see what is the meaning, definition and concept of communication. So first of all, the word communication is derived from the Greek word communicare or communico. So this word means to share. What it means, as it is derived from the Greek word, and this communicare or communico means share. And what is this sharing? Sharing of information, sharing of ideas and sharing of different facts among 2 or more persons. Now you all are aware when we use the word communication, there is one word which is hidden in that is community. And community belongs or community has different group of people staying in the society. And these people, this group of people, they are using different languages, and these languages are known as a code of communication. Kya hai ye? It is a code of communication, because in India there are different languages which are we can say that which are given to every state. In Maharashtra there is Marathi, in MP you go there is Hindi. So these are the code of their communication. Languages are the code of communication. So now, as you know that communicare or communico means to share. Sharing of information, passing of the information from one person to another person, or communications means sharing the facts, sharing the information between 2 or more persons. Okay, this is the basic meaning of communication. Now there are different authors, they have given the definition of the word communication. We will see the first definition. Here I am going to explain you the 3 definitions, but every detail of the meaning, concept and the definitions will be provided to you by notes. आपको ये जो भी अभी मैं आपको explain कर रही हूँ, ये सारे की आपको notes भी मिलेगी. So now coming to the definition. First definition given by McFarland. Communication is the process of interaction among human beings. What is that? Interaction between human beings. As I have told you, it is a process of passing of the information. Okay, so communication is the process of interaction among human beings. It is a process in which meanings are perceived and understandings are reached among human beings. यही है, जैसे कि अभी आपको explain किया in short में, brief में, ये क्या है कि there are different languages and these languages are known as code for communication. Likewise in this definition it is said that कि it is a process. Communication क्या है? एक process है. एक process के माध्यम से there are different peoples. Main the heart of communication is that whatever the information a person want to send to another person, that must be clean, clear, and maybe there in further chapters or in further coming the topics we will see ki how the information is passed on to the another person, how the information is shared to another person with the help of with different codes. Now here we will see first the definition. First definition हमने देख ली, then second is Newman and Summer. What they say? An exchange of facts, ideas, opinions or emotions by 2 or more persons. Now what is the meaning of this definition given by Newman? He says that exchange of facts. क्या है communication? Communication is the exchange of facts, ideas, opinions or emotions by 2 or more persons. Okay, for communication one thing is very clear, there must be 2 persons. Okay, one person who is sending the information and another person who is receiving the information. So it is said 2 or more persons. It is an exchange. Okay, it is the different ideas, different informations are sent between 2 persons. Now the third person is Emery. What he says, communication is the art of transmitting information, ideas and attitudes from one person to another person. So from all these different definitions, what you understand? One thing is very clear, that passing on information is compulsory. Okay, when the information is passed on, when the information is shared, when the facts are passed on to another person, that at that place communication takes place. That is what exactly is communication. Clear है? Here we have seen only the meaning. First, सबसे पहले हमने क्या देखा कि अपना सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है, बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट, ओके, ऑफ बीकॉम सेकंड ईयर थर्ड से. Then we have seen the concept of communication, how the word it is derived. It is a Greek word derived from the Greek word communicare or communico, which means to share. Then we have seen the definitions given by different persons. Then we have seen the concept. Concept क्या है कि community है, community में different people they are staying together and they people are using different languages and these languages are known as code of communication. So this is all for our first lecture of this subject. In the next session or in the next e-learning class, we will see the objectives of communication. Thank you.